Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel auto payment on Spotify. It's really simple and easy. First of all, we have to go and open our Spotify application here. And when you are here, you have to tap on this profile icon in the top left corner here and look for this settings and privacy. And when you are in settings and privacy, you have to tap on this account, this first option, and you will be able to see here your subscription or subscription under that account you are using. So we have here type of premium accounts like individual, student, also have duo for family. So once you are subscribed to any of these premium accounts under here and you wish to cancel that one, for example we have this premium duo subscription, monthly subscription, and we want to cancel that. And now when you are here, you have to select the Spotify premium plan you want to cancel, then follow these steps to cancel auto renewal. Your premium will say active until current billing cycle ends. And that's pretty much it. That's how to cancel Spotify premium auto renewal. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.